The abrupt outbreak of COVID-19 is currently dominating news headlines around the world. The virus originated from China's Hubei province last year, and the epidemic has sparked global concerns outside mainland China ever since. The number of death tolls and confirmed cases around the globe are rapidly increasing, and fresh reports are announced every day. Fears and worries are mounting in South Korea that the epidemic might bring a bigger scare than SARS and MERS.
Recently, Israel imposed an entry ban on South Korean visitors. The US CDC has also issued the highest level of travel health notice for South Korea, urging its citizens to refrain from traveling. Yet, what's alarming is that the nation is currently going through a shortfall of hand sanitizers and masks. Plus, the prices for these items are skyrocketing both on and offline. Now, I'll tell you how to wash your hands properly.
It's preferred that you use soap and water and then gently rub your hands together for about 20 to 30 seconds and then slowly wash it off with warm water.
Hand sanitizers that have at least 60% of alcohol content are assumed to be a crucial line of defense against infections. Apparently, rubbing your hands together actually helps germs and bad organisms go off. I'll tell you the correct use of it. Okay, so first pump the bottle and then gently apply the liquid around your hand and then rub your hands for about 15 seconds. So this method was aired in Korean TV channels, so no worries. And let's get started into making this hand sanitizer. So here are the ingredients needed. This is ethanol, glycerin, and purified water. Okay. So the secret to the golden ratio is adding and mixing the right amount. Oh my god! Oh, it got dipped inside! Oh my god, what am I supposed to do? Oh my god! So the proportion should be distributed like this. 10 of ethanol, 1 glycerin, and 0.5 of purified water. So I'm going to add about 17.5 of purified water. And then there, mix it. Now I'm going to pour this final outcome into this bowl. Done. I honestly thought that this would kind of turn out as a failure, but I think I did it okay. And plus, it's really important to be medically equipped these days as we are battling with the hazardous virus almost every single second. The entire world is confronting the threat of the coronavirus outbreak, and so many people out there are fighting to contain the virus. Let's follow the guidelines to help prevent the spread of the coronavirus infections and hope everything will go back to normal as soon as possible.